Kumusta mga pre? Panoorin natin ang highlights sa laban ni JIMUEL Pacquiao mga idol na ginanap sa Amerika kanina. Red trunks si JIMUEL Pacquiao mga pre. 3 rounds sa amateur. Panoorin natin ang highlights. JIMUEL Pacquiao na mga idol.
Nice body shot. Nice body shot by Pacquiao. Stiff jab by Pacquiao.
Okay. Kombinasyon from Pacquiao.
Blue corner's coming back with a nice stiff jab too. Yes, he did.
Yun, tinamaan ng kalaban. Oy, nakatama. Nakatama din ang kalaban.
Not at all. Blue corner with a stiff jab.
3 rounds lang yata
He's
to.
leaning back on the back leg. Nice stiff, nice jab to the body. Nice stab.
1-2.
He's got 135 pounders. Remember when I refereed Manny Pacquiao, when he won his first title, it was 118 pounds. Got his son that fight at 135.
Oh, nice little shoe shining in over the top of my back.
Magandang laban mga idol. Yun, tinamaan din si JIMUEL.
I remember when I refereed Manny Pacquiao against Woman and Marcus, the first time, Marcus went down 3 times in the first round. And I didn't stop the fight, I continued, and it ended up a draw. And it was close enough because we let the fight go the first one, fight 2, 3, and 4. If I would have stopped the first fight, 100 Marcus would have been history.
Wow. They wouldn't have the quadrilogy.
Yeah, exactly.
Special guest pala sila magsayo dito mga idol. Magsayo at saka si JIMUEL. Jerwin ang Taas. Special guest sila.
Oh, those calves on those. The calves on that boy.
Main event si JIMUEL Pacquiao.
To me, they're heavy hitters.
There
Body.
you go. Nice little 3-4 punch combination by Pacquiao. Nice combo again. Looks like he's starting to warm up, getting his rhythm, pulling the high guard there. Kind of rig the glove down and throw the backhand on that. Looks like he's starting to break a sweat here and get warmed up.
Yeah, Manny Pacquiao is feeling out his opponent in the first round. But he's not letting him take too much of a lead. It's a feel out round for Manny and for Patrick.
Yun, kombinasyon from JIMUEL.
Manny Pacquiao in the red.
10 seconds. Naka-red si JIMUEL dito idol. Nakapula si JIMUEL Pacquiao.
But at the end, they execute us with that round for him. Pick up the belt.
Okay. And
In round 2, guys.
start round number 2.
That was a close first round, guys. Who did you have edging that out? That was a tough one.
I think Manny pulling it out.
Kind of came on at the end there and landed a couple of nice combinations.
From Pacquiao.
For sure. Now he's starting to, looks like he's starting to get his rhythm and his range here, Coach. Joe.
I agree with
Coach Derek.
I agree with you.
Starting to rock back and forth. Looks like he's getting a good rhythm. There you go. He's on the balls of his feet now.
Yep.
Wasn't doing that first minute or two in the first round.
Very true. Very true.
Sometimes you gotta break that sweat. You get a little sweat in the back, hitting the mitts and stuff, but you get in the nerves, you kind of cool down, Joe, and you gotta kind of break that sweat.
Absolutely.
Oh, nice. Body shot coming out of that too.
I can really shoot that jab. You get mad at the jab. You got that high end reach on him, so
Good roll by Pacquiao.
Good defense. Of course, you hear his corner giving instructions in the native language Tagalog over in the Philippines. Not giving any secrets away to the other corner, right?
Not at all.
Shoot.
Big shot.
Good cover. Nice body shot. Double jab to the head and came down to the body. Chin down, he said, chin down, don't get excited.
Body shot by
Shoe
Pacquiao.
shine and then came over the top.
Straight right here by Pacquiao.
He heard that.
we haven't seen any stoppages tonight.
Not at all.
All the fight went the distance.
Yeah.
Before one might be tough on them. There's a 29 right in the car.
Exactly. The blue corner is not really throwing it right now.
He's got to slow down a little bit, man. Slow down. I don't know if he got hurt with something or he's getting stymied. Jamil has landed some good body shots there, but Yeah, it's still a little early for him. He might be getting frustrated. He's missing a lot too. The defense is a lot better this round.
Right, absolutely.
He landed a stiff jab there. Mouth's opening up a little bit though, coach. You see that?
I do see it. I see it.
Conditioning side.
For sure, for sure.
Round 2 na ito mga idol.
I would agree with that, Jason.
Nice jab to the body.
I think Ray is throwing some
Matangkad tong kalaban ni Pacquiao.
throws some RDS on the outside.
Medyo matangkad mga idol. Jab. Okay, end of round 2.
Really good defense in this
End of round.
Ah, nice.
Come back with left, right.
But you heard him
Left
fighting
hook,
off the
left
guard.
hook by the blue corner. He's moving his head, blue corner. He's staying visible.
Nice body shot. He's got
Nice
that
body
down,
shot.
that 1-1-2 body.
Oh, that's good. Took his left hook by
That might
Pacquiao.
have been 4 or 5. I don't know if I ever saw that throw quadruple head there.
I wouldn't be
Nice.
surprised.
Just missed with the uppercut right there, coach.
Yeah, yup, for sure.
That had mean intentions on it, too.
I agree.
We'll see a good fight here tonight. Another good one. They're going to go the distance.
Yeah. Joe, what do you think so far?
Go with Manny Pacquiao. We've had the edge in every round so far.
Yeah.
It should be a unanimous decision. If nobody gets knocked out, it should be a unanimous decision for Manny Pacquiao.
Yeah, I agree.
Oh, yeah, nice thank you. No, just missed with another one. Good high guard, good defense on that.
Great defense by
Nice
Pacquiao.
check hook on the counter off the high guard.
I agree.
Yeah, Manny's fine. 10 seconds to go. Manny showing good defense.
Good shoe shine there at the
Yeah.
end.
Yeah. You got to give Patrick Ray some credit.
Yup.
And we won the
Good bout, man. Good bout.
good fight. Nobody can complain.
3 rounds lang mga idol. End of 3 rounds na. End of the fight.
Coach,
Si Jimuel yata panalo dito.
Headgear on. And his gloves. Good spot.
Absolutely. Great job by Russ.
Full house here, guys. Time is it 10 o'clock at night? Yes, it is. Still a full house. Great job. Great job. Awesome night of amateur boxing. Coach, go see the doctor. Doctor, go see the doctor. Still giving out instructions. I'm not using my. That does it.